Hello everyone. So today I am going to give you a review of this product, which is L'Oreal Professional List Control Force 1 Techni Art Hair Serum. This product looks like this. It's a cute little packaging. I like it a lot. So now let's start with the pricing part. This product retails for rupees 525 and you get to 50 ml of product. And so this is a 50 ml bottle. You can take it in your palm. It's like this much only. Yes, all the ingredients of this product I have listed in my blog, so please go and check it out. I will put the links in the description box below. The product claims that it gives shine, smooths and moisturizes hair. It is ideal for smoothing frizzy hairs. It contains UV filters and it gives you 24 hours humidity protection. So this product, it has a pump nozzle here on the top, so if it is twisted a little bit on the left side, then this pump is locked and the product will not come out, which is a good part. Then to take out the product, you have to twist it little bit right side and then you have to take out some product like so. You can see the consistency of this product. It is little bit running. Yes, now what you can do is just rub it in between your palm like so, and on your damp hair just apply it on the length of your hair and thickness of the hair nicely, and then comb it and spread it evenly. You can blow dry it to give more, make your hair more manageable, and it will look great. So what I do is I just apply this on my damp hair and I just blow dry my hair, and after blow drying I take a little bit quantity again and I apply on the ends of my hair. Now coming to the review part. Yes, it is very light on my hair and it does give my hair shine. After using it, I feel that my hair becomes smooth and moisturized. Again, for the like 2 days, by the end of the second day I feel that my hair is becoming little oily, so I need to shampoo it on the third day, like so. And I have tried this product on my wet hair as well as on a dry hair, and it works well in both the conditions. Product, and then you can blow dry your hair. This will give a nice effect on your hair. It contains a UV filter, which is a good part, because if you're going out in sun, then this product will protect your hair from the sun rays. It has a very light and very what should I say, very beautiful fragrance, which I like because I don't like the strong fragrances. So this is a good part of this product which I like a lot. And this product comes in a glass bottle, which is a negative point of this product. But what I do is I just take a bubble wrap and wrap this around and secure this with the rubber band like so, and then I take it in my traveling bag, and since December I am using it and till now it is working well with me. So you can do this and make this product a travel friendly. The availability might be an issue for this product because I went to a salon and there I asked a lady that can you suggest me a good serum for my frizzy hair which I can also use with a blow dryer. Then she gave me this one. So you need to check out the availability of this product. Yes, and part is on a higher side because for 525 rupees you are getting 50 ml of product, but this product lasts for a long time. So it's okay. Yeah, so it's okay for me. As you can see, I have finished 1/4 of the product till now. So yes, if you are looking for the serum to make your hair smooth, moisturized and frizz free, then you can give this product a try. And if you have already used this product, then please do share me your comments in the experience in the comment box below. I will love to read it. And if you want to see some more reviews like this, then please do subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.